You asked for it, so here's my foolproof chin chin recipe. Milky, crunchy and sweet. Going with 5 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 60 grams of butter. And for our wet ingredients, we want to go in with 3 cups of milk, 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Go ahead to mix your dry ingredient with the butter until you have this crumbly texture, and then go in with your wet ingredients. Now mix everything until it comes together. Do not over knead your chin chin. Keep kneading, and once it comes together like this, then you know it's ready. Roll out with a rolling pin. You can use a chin chin cutter or any cutter you have. I had a pizza cutter and that's what I used. Cut into your desired shape. I wasn't bothered about the sizes or anything, but if you're particular about it, please do well to measure and get your perfect size, especially if you want to sell. Fry till it is golden brown. Allow to air dry for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and your chin chin is ready. Crunchy, milky and very sweet. Would you be trying this? Yes, you will. Thanks for watching.